Hi, DIYORBEK. It's Miss Chris, your tutor. I know school is out for a bit and you're at home, so I wanted to record some stories for you to practice until we can read together again. I'm going to read each page, so pay close attention to how I say each word. That way you can play this recording again and read out loud with me. Are you ready? Here we go. Simon Loves the Rain, written by Anne Harth. Simon loves the rain. He wears his red boots and a yellow hat. He pulls on his green coat. Take your umbrella, Simon, Mom says. Okay, says Simon as he grabs his purple umbrella. The rain comes down, pitter, pitter, pitter. Simon jumps in puddles. Splish, splish, splish. The rain comes down harder. Patter, patter, patter. Simon jumps in deeper puddles. Splash, splash, splash. The rain is heavy. Plonk, plonk, plonk. Simon jumps in puddles. Water fills his boots. Slosh, slosh, slosh. Simon runs inside. Mom looks at Simon. His hat drips. His coat drips. His boots are full of water. Simon holds up his umbrella. Look, Mom, I took my umbrella. Well, he did take his umbrella, didn't he? He just didn't use it, did he? That's so silly. All right, that's it for now. Talk to you later. Bye, Diorbik.